Ugh. What happened? What the hell? Why are my people attacking the humans? I get it. It's Lord Satan's orders, but this has to be put to an end. This isn't our home. It's time to get followers on my side.
The following message is transmitted by the remnant of the emergency alert system and what's left of it. We were able to get our signal back thanks to an unknown source. However, we don't know how long we are going to be able to keep it. Please stay tuned to the station in case there is hope. The following message is transmitted by the remnant of the emergency alert system. Survivors have seen a running child. The child was ambushed by these shadow demons. However, another one came in standing back toward the child, and began to defend the boy from the other attacking demons. This particular one has light blue glowing eyes. It took the child to safety. We can only hope that there are more like him. Please stay tuned to the station for any other updates on this situation.
Alright, my followers. We need a plan to help these humans take back their world from Lord Satan's power. What are we going to do?
I say we hijack the emergency alert system, just like our evil counterparts did in the past. And then, we shall warn them, and they might just join us. Let's just hope that this works.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the remnant of the emergency alert system. A squad of shadow demons with light blue eyes are defending the entire United States. It is speculated that they will move to the other parts of the globe. We have a chance of hope that the human race will survive. If you spot these blue-eye shadow demons, do not panic, do not attack, they are here to help. Please stay tuned to the station for any and all
The following message is transmitted at the request of us, the Anti-Shadow Rebellion. We come in peace. We have come to the realization that this world is not our home, and we are willing to help all of you humans take back your world. You must trust us. If you are human, and you want to join the fight against the evil you have suffered for a long time, please, come to us. We will prepare you, train you, and give you the protection from the corruption that the enemy can do. We apologize for this hijack of the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the remnant of the emergency alert system. This is a message to the people who are risking their lives out there to restore our world. Good luck to you, and may God be you all. For those who are not participating in this event, remain in your shelters and watch your surroundings for any potential danger. Please stay tuned to the station for any and all further updates. And again, to those participating the event, good luck to all of you.
Attention all humans. Thank you for joining our anti-Shadow Rebellion. Today, we fight for you. And you are here to help out. This is your home. We are here to fight off the evil that you suffered for so long. Get ready, everyone. We are about to go to war. Now who's with me? Here they are. They're coming. Attack!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the emergency alert system. The United States has been restored once and for all. Thank you all to those who helped save our world from the hellish creatures. We will rebuild our government and political system, our homes, and our essentials to our living. Now it is the rest of the world's turn to bring back their home. Thank you for tuning into the emergency alert system. Normal programming will resume in the next 4 years due to no power and other cable systems. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system.